Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Digital Marketpreneur. And in this video, we are going to talk about how much can you make from online courses, path to your first $100. Now, as you know, people go, ooh, online courses, and you see the prices, $997, $500, $300, $700, and a lot of courses are pretty good. I've taken some, and as we speak, I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I just invested on another one from one of my mentors, and I'm super excited about it. But they're making money. You are not making any. Why are not you creating your course? I think there's a mental block where everybody believes you have absolutely nothing to teach. You're not a guru. You're not Grant Cardone. You're not one of the big names, Russell or anybody like that, and you guys can't teach anything. A quick story is I hear this all the time when they talk about the guy from Catch Me If You Can. He went to a school and was teaching a class. And I think it was a very, advanced class. And he, I believe, teach that class for a while until he got caught or something. And they asked him, wait a second, when you were teaching the class, how were you even able to do that? You were not the teacher. He goes, well, I just read the chapter and I was one step ahead. And if you guys come to my channel, it's because you guys are a little stuck on affiliate marketing and stuck on growing your YouTube channel. And I'm just a few steps ahead. So I'm teaching you what I know on this channel, right? And I created a free course, and I'm gonna show you the numbers. You're gonna be like, light bulb, right? And if you guys are one step ahead of everybody else on whatever your specialty, whatever it is that you want to teach, you guys can make a lot of money, And I've been learning this from my mentor. You have to be a C minus, even a C plus on teaching, and you can make A plus money. Because if you see a lot of the courses, they're not perfect, but if they're structured in the right way, just like anything in school or anything that you've seen, once it's structured correctly and you're actually giving value and the information is gonna help that person, then you guys are gonna get paid for it. So I want you to open your mind that you guys can make a lot of money with courses. A lot of people launch courses for $10 and they can make thousands upon thousands of dollars. The problem with free courses is that free is all those people that are like nitpicking, like those, I want the free, but, cause then I can complain because it's free and it's bad, right? They never do anything with that type of information. If you charge for teaching a course or for giving something of value, this is completely separated from the lead magnet. This is a course. You guys can make a lot of money because people will have skin in the game. And once you put an investment, you want a return on that investment. You want to take advantage of what you're paying for. You are gonna go and take action of what you're learning. And that's why you can see that on my YouTube channel, I'll little by little start implementing everything that I'm learning from the course that I bought years ago. And I got skin in the game, and when I was single, it was easy not to put anything to the test and say, well, my coach teach me this. Hey, now I have a family and I have to do something to provide for my family. And that's why I want to grow this YouTube channel, grow my community, and help a lot of you understand that you guys don't need to wait until 4,000 hours watch, 1,000 subscribers to make money. You can actually do that from the very beginning doing affiliate marketing. But I digress. If you put a course, and a very, a structured course, when you give a lot of value, you can charge $10, $20, $30, $100. And for example, if you charge $10 for a course, and so let's say you have 200 people come to your course and only 10 buy at $10, Guess what that means? That's your first $100 online, and that's just like giving you a very small number. You charging $10 for a course that maybe it's a 2 to 3 lesson, just the basics of of what you're trying to teach. That's $100 right there on a course that might take you 1 or 2 weeks to do. Once you go to the structure and you put your course over there, and there's a lot of places that you actually can put them away for free, or you can just charge that yourself using software out there. And there's a lot of places like ClickFunnels where you can just put your course right there in a membership area. There's other places like Teachable, and they don't charge you anything, I believe, and you just get the money through PayPal. So 200 people, just 10 buy, you got $100. Your first $100 online. Crazy numbers for something that a lot of people are doing, and I'm gonna show you my numbers on one course that I created. Alright, I want you to see this email. Your daily digest on July 23rd, 2021. I had 641 students going through a free course that I throw. Actually, the course it's available in some of my previous videos as the foundation training that I created, and I decided to put it for free because I wanted to test the waters. I just wanted to see how many people were interested, and it's just crazy to see that yes, it's free, right? I didn't want to charge anything yet. I want to make something better. So if you guys want to know when I'll be dropping my new course, subscribe to my channel. Hit that button that says subscribe, because I am working behind the scenes on a few things, one step at a time, obviously. But I want you to see this 641 people. Now if you think about that, from the 600 people that have come through my course, if I would have decided to charge, I'll say $20, right? So let's say 100 buy times 20, I could have made already $2,000 from a course that took me about a week and a half to film, edit, and put together. Right off the bat, $2,000 on a course on affiliate marketing. And then if we go right here, it shows you where all the people are coming from, and that's kind of crazy. That seeing these numbers, that 79 countries, United States and India, it's number 1, United States number 2, Pakistan, Morocco, Egypt. Is like insane to know that all these people in the world decide to just click on that button to say, hey, free course for affiliate marketing. Boom, I go in there, and I have 641 people. English 81%, French 5.9, and you can see all these numbers when you go to this website, udemy.com. This is one of the places that you guys can put some of your courses, and like I say, mine is free. So you can see right here, affiliate marketing foundation course. This month alone, 23 people were enrolled. The course rating is 4.5, but to be transparent, I've been asking people to review my course, and nobody really wanted to or has to. So that's what happens when you give free courses. People don't really care, or they don't pay attention. But yeah, it's right. It's live right there. If some of you want to go see it, just to get get a taste of it, or maybe you guys want to rate my course, you guys go to udemy.com, and just something to get you thinking the possibilities if you guys create an online course. You see those numbers and you probably think, oh my God, Carlos, that's just not a possibility. Well, you won't know if you won't try. And even if you put a price on your course and nobody buys, then you can go and repackage it. And I want you to think about this too when you're creating courses. People create courses because they fall in love with, oh, I'm creating the coolest thing ever. But what I'm learning is what the marketplace really want, and the best way is for you guys to build an audience. And once you build an audience, you start seeing patterns on, like, you know what, people are really not understanding this, or people are like getting, you know, confused on these parts, and I know I can help them with that. So you create a basic course, you know, you've seen a lot of the big guys, they go, this is a beta test, or this is, I'm getting you my beta group, right? So they can get going with the flow and see, hey, this and this needs to be added, so then it can be pieced properly, you know. And it's a game where it's great when you start getting into it and you start, you know, thinking like, okay, what can I do for my customer that could be better, right? So don't give up on this opportunity. You know, go to Udemy and just look at what courses are making money that are about the range that you want to give viewers. How long is it taking? You know, and that's why it's called funnel hacking from the world that I come from. You want to go see what the ones that are making money are doing, so you can replicate the same thing. You know, and sometimes you can even buy the course yourself. You know, for those of you that stay all the way to this part of the video, buy the course yourself and see, okay, you know what, this piece is missing right there. I can add that piece, you know, and that will create even more value for the course. And, you know, eventually you'll start making a lot of money. At some point, you might just want to run the entire thing yourself without having to use these websites, so you guys can make even more money. So I hope that also, and this is one last tip that I want to give you. You cannot pretend to sell to everyone. It doesn't work that way, okay? You have to know your target audience. You have to know who you want to create the course for, because once you do, those people are going to come in and just give you the money, because they're already interested in what you have to sell. And you know what, the best way to find out about that is from people that are already buying courses. That's why a lot of times the best way to get, you know, the ball going, for example, is go look at those audiences of the people that are already selling courses on the same niche that you want to get in, or the niche that you really love and want to start. Because once you do that, the sell is easy, because you already know. And don't compare yourself, just what more value can I give to my customer. And I know that a lot of people have false beliefs about this. The false beliefs will stop you from starting a YouTube channel, from being successful in affiliate marketing, for being successful in creating your own course and making money. You know, just give yourself permission to do it. I give you permission to do it. My mentor gave me permission to do it. Go make money by teaching people, because that's the only way that you guys are going to get ahead. You know, instead of just sitting on the sidelines and consuming course after course after course without actually taking action. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for what's coming on my channel. I am really excited for what comes ahead. It's gonna be a lot of work that I gotta put in, but I know that you guys are gonna get a lot of value from me, and I'm really looking forward working with a bunch of you and take you guys to the next level. So with that being said, subscribe to my channel, and also I'll see you on the next video.